The battlefield of tomorrow will be fast, lethal, and tech driven, and India's army has just made a major leap into that future. This is the story of Bharat Battalion, India's new light commando force designed to fight tonight. The Bharat Battalion is not your traditional infantry unit raised in 2025. It represents one of the boldest organizational updates in the Indian Army's history, a lean, agile, and technology enabled force built for today's hybrid wars. Each battalion has roughly 250 soldiers, significantly smaller than a regular 800 strong infantry unit. They are trained for rapid high impact tactical missions, ready to fight tonight at a short notice. Named Bhairav, invoking the fierce form of Lord Shiva, symbolizing fearlessness and aggression. Modern warfare has changed. Traditional large battalions are not always agile enough to respond to sudden tech-centric conflicts. Lessons from recent global conflicts from Ukraine to Himalayas convinced Indian Army planners to rethink force structure. The Bhairav concept bridges the gap between standard infantry and elite special forces. It's designed for hybrid warfare, mixing conventional combat with drones, electronic warfare, and with deep reconnaissance. Unlike regular battalions drawn from single regiments, Bhairav units are multi-arm formations, pulling personnel from infantry, artillery, air defense, and signals to create a truly integrated combat team. Its key elements are about 250 soldiers commanded by a compact officer cadre, integrated intelligence and reconnaissance tools, including drones for targeting and surveillance. Each battalion is designed to operate independently or in small autonomous teams. Bhairav troops undergo specialized training at regimental centers, followed by advanced attachments with elite units to sharpen their skills in night operations, high-altitude warfare, and coordinated drone engagements. Key capabilities are precision drone reconnaissance and target, rapid cross-border raids and deep reconnaissance missions, multi-domain operations blending ground action with tech support. Bhairav battalions are being positioned along India's most sensitive borders, both western and northern, to provide the rapid response and tactical depth. Deployment highlights are as follows: Northern Front, Leh, Srinagar, Nagrota under Northern Command. Western Desert and Eastern Hill sectors adapted to diverse terrains and aim to have 25 battalions operational within 6 months. How do Bhairav battalions differ from Ghatak platoons or para special forces? Think of them as the operational bridge, more specialized than standard infantry, but not strategic or deep insertion focused as para SF. The regular infantry consists of 800 strength and its role is conventional. The Bhairav tactical ops consist of 250 soldiers, fast tech driven. The para SF missions consist smaller in numbers, deep strategic. The Bhairav battalion made its historic debut on the Republic Day parade, a symbolic affirmation of India's readiness for tomorrow's battles. The Bharat Battalion is more than just a unit, it's the embodiment of a new strategic doctrine. By blending technology, speed, and autonomy, India is preparing for a future where the battlefield is uncertain, unpredictable, and unforgiving. In an era defined by drones, cyber dynamics, and rapid strikes, the Bharat Battalion represents India's leap into modern warfare, a force ready today for the challenges of tomorrow. Jai Hind everyone.